Okey Dokeys!
Hello! Today we're learning how to make a magic ring, also known as a magic loop or adjustable ring. This is a great way to start round crochet projects such as hats, amigurumi, or other circular designs. Start by wrapping the yarn around your fingers to create a loop, leaving the tail in front. I like to cross mine over into an X to help me visualize which pieces you're going to be grabbing with your hook. Insert your hook into the loop and grab the working yarn with your hook and pull it through the loop and onto your hook. Next, you're going to go back to the working yarn over, and chain 1 to secure. Then, you're going to work the number of stitches into the ring. As you're working these single crochets into the ring, make sure you're working over both the tail and the loop. Once you have the correct number of stitches, pull the yarn tail to close the loop and form a tight ring. That's how you make a magic ring. It might be tricky at first, but with practice, you'll be able to use this technique to create beautiful round projects.